You want the ultimate barbecue for versatility? The Gasmate Hydra Combo 3-burner gas and charcoal barbecue is designed for you. This stunning barbecue has dual fireboxes, one gas and one charcoal. Enjoy the convenience of a 3-burner gas barbecue or the incredible flavour of charcoal, or cook on both at the same time. Both hoods are black porcelain enamel coated for durability. Both are double skinned to increase heat retention and efficiency. A large dial temperature gauge on each hood lets you check the internal temperature without lifting the hood and losing that valuable heat and smoke. Each cooking chamber has a 450 by 450 mm cooking area. The charcoal side has 2 cast iron grills, and the gas side has 1 cast iron grill and 1 reversible cast iron hot plate. The cast iron grills allow you to achieve traditional sear marks and flavour. The hot plate gives you added versatility, meaning you can cook your Kiwi favourites, eggs, bacon and even pancakes. 3 stainless steel burners combined with flame tamers ensure superior high heat is spread evenly while minimising hot and cold spots. Each burner provides 10.8 megajoules of heat, and a rotary piezo on each burner ensures easy lighting every time. Controlling the temperature on the charcoal side is easy. The Hydra has an adjustable front air vent and twin hood vents. Open them up for more heat or close them down to drop the airflow and the temperature. A great feature to let you control the intensity of the heat more is the adjustable charcoal tray. The crank handle allows you to quickly and easily move the charcoal tray up or down under the charcoal grill. To cook low and slow, add your charcoal to one side of the charcoal pan and lower the pan to the lowest level. Slowly cook your meat indirectly by putting it on the grill on the opposite side of the hot coals. For traditional hot and fast charcoal cooking, spread coals out across the charcoal pan and crank the handle to the topmost position. Both sides of the Hydra can be used together. You can start your low and slow charcoal cooking earlier in the day, then spark up the gas grill for steaks, burgers or your traditional barbecue dinner. You get the best of both worlds. We've added extra features to make the barbecue journey even more enjoyable. These include front-mounted bottle opener, hanging hooks for tools, and a handle that doubles as a tea towel rail. Warming racks on both sides allow you to rest your food. Underneath is an enclosed cabinet with 2 front doors, one side for the LPG cylinder and the other side for extra storage. To make cleanup easy, each side has easy access removable grease and ashtrays. Lastly, the Hydra has 4 lockable caster wheels that hold it in place and make it easy to move around if required. Overall, the Gasmate Hydra Combo 3-burner gas and charcoal barbecue has all the features and versatility you could ask for from one great-looking unit. For more details, check out our website gasmate.co.nz.